Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to all of our classmates around the world. Welcome to the ECE496 Capstone presentation from Team 254. I'm Barton.
My name is Chao.
My name is Bowen.
And I'm Jingzi Hao.
Today, we will introduce you to Smartbull, a decentralized stock market trading software building use Conflux blockchain. So let's get started. So our project focuses on exploring the feasibility of applying blockchain and smart contracts to decentralized trading. And we will do this by building a stock trading software, implementing a decentralized data storage to protect the user's privacy and trading data. We got our motivation from a recent event. Earlier this year in January, Robinhood placed a trading restriction on retail traders during the GME short squeeze event, while giving freedom to institutional traders. We see a huge problem in the current broker systems. The broker has too much power over retail traders, and the short selling mechanism has too much risk. And we will propose a solution by building a decentralized platform to ensure free, transparent trade. And we will focus only on long opportunities for individual investors. Now let's move to background.
Blockchain technology has many applications in industries, like data transformation, payment, record. Let's see why blockchain technology attracts people. Here are some features of blockchain. Immutable, all operation and data cannot change once it's confirmed by chain. Data doesn't store in centralized server, but in every node in the network. It reduces some risks, such as malicious attacks. All data are encrypted with hash when it's stored. The network only knows the hash, but not the original data. The data can be verified by only sending the hash to the chain. The faster settlement. Blockchain takes less time than the traditional banking system. The traditional banking system may take days to process the transactions and finalize all settlements, especially for cross-border transactions. How about the stock market? Stock market needs the features of blockchains, and stock market is one of the most attractive places to people invest. The value of worldwide stock market has achieved $95 trillion. There are many active chain technology platforms in market. Each chain has different strong points for different applications. The Conflux, which we choose, has a greater process speed and large data capacity. It's the one mostly like fits heavy workload of stock market. Now we have chain to store all the transactions or trading data, but how to execute the trading between two people as what's on deal? Normally, we need a third party for guarantee. The smart contract can do this job. It's intended to automatically execute, control relevant events and actions according to the term of the deal. Smart contract can be integrated into blockchain to help to finish the whole trading system without human control, but a process control. Now let's move to project requirement.
For the project requirement, we have 7 requirements for our project. All operation records should be stored on Conflux chain, which can be viewed by all users and cannot be modified after a transaction. The user's account and their private information can only be accessed with their private key. Then we have some requirements about performance. So in the platform, multiple users can operate at the same time. And we want to enable a minimum number of 10,000 transactions per hour for real use. When the user creates orders, the orders should be active in the order book with less than 1 second latency. And when a user interacts with the app, a pop-up or a loading indicator should be popping up within 5 millisecond latency. The last requirement is about convenience. All trade orders must be matched automatically by the system. Then it's the time for our system design.
This diagram shows how our system is designed. In this section, I will introduce how our market is working and what's our trading rules, and how our backend and frontend work with each other. The user needs to register in our market to perform trading activities, and there must be at least one stock issued in the market. After that, user can trade for stocks and by placing buy or sell orders. The order information will be collected by the frontend and sent to the backend. Our backend is a smart contract implemented on Conflux blockchain. It will fetch the order posted from user and try to fill it and save the remainder to the order book. When the order is matched, the fund and the stock shares is automatically transferred between the buyer and seller. The transactions are public and is confirmed by all of the users on the blockchain. The following images shows the order information required and the functional diagram of this project. To sum up the key features, our market will classify the user as company and normal traders. Only companies are allowed to issue stocks, and all users can post buy or sell orders on existing stocks in the market. We require the user to provide the desired price to buy or sell the stock. The best order will be filled first. For example, for buy-in orders, the higher the price, the better it is. The order can be partially matched and will continue to be matched until the volume in the order is fully filled, or the best order in the market is beyond the price limit. Now, let's move on to the front-end design.
So here is the demo front-end we built for our prototype. In this dashboard, the user needs to first connect to their Conflux portal, which is a wallet software that contains their account and their balance. So when the user first log into our platform, they need to sign up to be able to trade and deposit funds from their wallet to the smart contract, or they can withdraw funds, and they can also check their balance in the dashboard. We also designed other pages in the sidebar. The trade contains all the trade actions, including place order or cancel order. The companies is only for enterprise users to release stocks, and the data is for users to check historical data. Here is a demo of our order book in the backend contract. We create a sample stock name called Tesla, and the types represents if it's a bid order or ask order. The price representing the price in the order book, and the match type means if it's a limited order or market order. We encountered several challenges in this project. First, we spent a lot of time learning and implementing a smart contract using Solidity programming knowledge, which is a brand new programming knowledge to us. Secondly, we encountered some challenge when designing and implementing the fill order mechanisms. Lastly, we did some research to how to use JS SDK to interact with the smart contract so that the backend can communicate with the frontend. In conclusion, the prototype meets the primary goal of exploring blockchain technology in the stock market. Our team successfully implements a stock trading platform using the Conflux blockchain. The prototype can only handle requests on a small scale of stock markets. In the future, we need more tests such as heavy workload requests needed to be done for real use. We would like to express our most profound appreciation to Professor Andreas Venaris, Professor Coleman Fan, and Yuxi Cai for their strong support, guidance, and encouragement throughout this semester. Thank you very much, and hope you enjoyed the presentation.
Hey yo, what's up? Welcome to the demo of Smartbull trading platform. So here we already deployed our smart contract in a dev environment, and we are using MinterKey as our admin. So let's create some users. So first we register Bartons in our platform, and Barton is not a company. And now we can add some funds to Barton's account. Now we can get users, and we can check Barton's balance. Now he has 100 complex tokens. Now let's add a company account. So we have a company called Apple. The company is Boolean with 1. And Apple would like to issue some stock with the ticker name of AAPL. So let's issue 1,000 shares with 5 complex. So now it's still Apple's working. So now we can get users. Now we have 2 users, and we can check stock issue in our database. So now in this block, it stores a stock called AAPL with 1,000 shares and $5. Now the user Spartan would like to purchase some Apple stock. So the type 0 means buy, 1 means sell. And it's called AAPL. And let's say Barton wanna purchase 10 shares. And match type 0 means immediate and 1 means limited. And the price gonna be 5. So let's check Barton's balance again. Now Barton's spent 50 on the Apple shares. Now he only has 50 left. And we can check Barton's property, and we can see that Barton now has 10 shares of Apple. And this order is also stored in our order book with like the stock names and the volume and the stock price. And we can also check Apple's balance. Now Apple has 50, which is transferred from Barton. We can also check how many stocks left in Apple, so that there's only 990 shares left in as the market cap. So thanks for the demo. Hope you enjoyed. 안녕.